Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Monopoly Go with friends. Let's get started. Once you've logged into Monopoly Go, you're going to go to the bottom right corner and you're going to press on the tab which says Friends. And you'll notice that there are three options at the bottom. One is Contacts, two, Facebook, and the other one is Invite. So we're going to start with Contacts. It'll say Find Friends. Want to play with people you know? So we're going to go to the bottom and press on the green button which says Add Contacts. So now what you need to do is add in your cell phone number. And then you press Continue. It'll say Verify Phone. Enter the 6-digit verification code sent to that specific number. Once you've gotten the code, you're going to press Submit. And then you press Add Friends. As you can see, no one in my contacts is currently playing this game, and that's fine. So what we need to do now is go back to the Friends tab, and we're going to press on Facebook. And then you're going to press Confirm. So now in order to link our Facebook account to Monopoly Go, we need to log into our Facebook. It'll say, Monopoly Go is requesting access to your name and profile picture, email address, and friends list. So you're going to press Continue as your name. So now that we've added our Facebook, we're going to press on the green Invite button. So now we're going to go to the bottom and we're going to press on the blue Facebook button, which says Invite. Now, the other option is to press the orange Invite button if you want to do it manually. After doing so, it'll say Play Monopoly Go with me. You could either copy the link and send it to Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free, and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.